You ready?
No. I can hear you stomping.
I'm a loud walker.
That's the same as always. You look very nice.
You look very nice.
Do you want to see the whole meat?
Yeah, give me a little. I mean, I saw the butt from behind, so.
Oh yeah, I mean, this.
I'll take it.
This is what we pay for.
I'll take it.
So not many people know that Jordan is a huge, huge Post-it person. Yes, those little sticky notes that you use at work or on file folders. I knew that in the past that she and Nick used to leave little notes for each other on the bathroom counter before exams or on particularly hard days, just as a little boost or reminder that the other person was thinking of them or just wanted to say, I love you. But if you know Jordan, then you know that this is quintessentially her. The little things in life that are often overlooked, the small gestures, are the things that she cherishes the most. A hug on a tough day or a hey, I love you means more to her than anything in the world.
If you don't know Nick, when he cares about and loves someone, he does it all the way. He dives in head first, he gives that person everything he has. And as your big brother, I've always been so scared that you're going to get hurt because you love people so much. But then I met Jordan. And I realized that you found the person who deserved every bit of that love and every bit of that full-on ability you have to just love people with every bit of your heart without any question.
I've sat down and have tried to write this letter a few different times. As I started to think of what I could say, there's only one thing that kept coming up, and that was back to the first day that we met.
I was sitting off to the corner of the room wearing a black t-shirt and the glasses you say I'm not myself without. You were laying on the floor, chuckling up at the ceiling, serving as the endless chuckle of the room as per usual. As the night went on, we maintained seemingly uninterested in each other. And when the night came to an end, you kindly offered to drive me home. You asked if we could make a quick pit stop to your parents' house. You wanted me to meet the first of many critical siblings who I'd need to impress. Holly, your childhood Yorkie, approved, and the rest is history.
Meeting at Alex's and taking you home to meet my family dog didn't seem important at the time, but it ended up being one of the best days of my life. I always wonder what my life would have been like if we had never met. I wouldn't have had a best friend that I left spending random time sitting on the couch, watching awful shows and making fun of everything we watch. Or someone who will drive 45 minutes to a random Dairy Queen in the middle of nowhere, Indiana at 9 o'clock at night to get an Orange Julius because that's what we were craving while watching a movie. Sorry. And now here we are sitting in Ireland after a 2-hour bus ride, 7-hour flight with 9 family members, and my first time driving on the opposite side of the road. It's finally our wedding day, the day we have both been waiting for the last 2.5 years.
Welcome to the event of years in the making. Now I have to ask you, are we all ready to get these two married today? Today, their promises become permanent and their favorite people become family.
I, Nicholas, take you, Jordan Nicole Kress.
I, Jordan Nicole Kress, take you, Nicholas Raymond McFarland, to have and to hold,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
and death do us part.
With the blessing of everyone who is present here today, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Nicholas, it's time to kiss your bride.
I love the songs you sing around the kitchen to our puppy. I love your ridiculously long and dreamy eyelashes. I love how much you love family. I love everywhere we've been and I love everywhere we're going.